surtout pas te vexer, mais ta peau a une drôle de couleur. Tu n'es pas malade au moins? Ou alors, c'est naturel. Si j'avais une peau pareille, j'aurais honte de sortir dans la rue. Mais c'est peut-être l'envie et la jalousie qui t'ont fait virer au vert. Tu es le seul que la couleur de ma peau dérange. Si elle ne te plaît pas, tu n'as qu'à aller t'installer ailleurs, misérable larve. Jeanne, au secours!
Together.
Right, sure.
And I'm sure no intelligent white person watching this show, or no intelligent white man in his or her right white mind, want black boys and black girls marrying their white sons and daughters, and in return introducing their grandchildren as half-brown, kinky-haired black people.
I wouldn't object to that.
Well, you wouldn't, but a lot of them would.
Well, I'm sure a lot of people.
And
No, this is the point.
What I'm trying to say is this. You don't have it. You say you don't. You don't have it. You really ain't gonna have it. You're on the show, and you got to say that. But
that's not true.
why would you want to do that?
Because
Don't you
I
love
don't
yourself?
think I'm any different from you. You see.
Yeah, we much different.
I mean, I
Let's
think
face it,
society's
man.
made us
You know
different.
we're different. And we all together.
Well, society's made us different.
No, not society. God made us different.
No, we're just human beings. He made all of us.
We all listen. Bluebirds fly with bluebirds. Red birds want to be with red birds. Listen. Tell me when I'm wrong. Pigeons want to be with pigeons.
But we
Tell
have
me when I'm wrong.
intelligence.
Well,
We
we
have an
must.
intellect.
Well, we should
They
have.
don't
More, they don't have intelligence, but yet
No.
they stay together. We should have more intelligence than them.
La couleur de la peau de l'homme n'a pas plus d'importance que la couleur de ses yeux. Je ne pense pas que la couleur soit une chose primordiale. Ce qui est important, c'est ce que l'homme a dans la tête. Ça, c'est la réalité.
We hate because we're taught to hate. We hate because we're ignorant. We're the product of ignorant people who have been taught an ignorant thing, which is that there are 4 or 5 different races. There are not 4 or 5 different races. There's only one race on the face of the earth, and we're all members of that race, the human race. But we have separated people into races so that some of us can see ourselves as superior to the others. We thought it would work, I guess. It hasn't worked. It has been bad for everyone. But it's time to get over this business. There is no gene for racism. There's no gene for bigotry. You're not born a bigot. You have to learn to be a bigot. Anything you learn, you can unlearn. It's time to unlearn our bigotry. It's time to get over this thing, and we best get over it pretty soon. And it is my business as an educator to lead people out of ignorance. The ignorance of thinking that you're better or worse than someone else because of the amount of a pigment in your skin. Pigmentation in your skin has nothing to do with intelligence or with your worth as a human being. It's time to get over that.
Moi, je vais à l'ARA, l'association des racistes anonymes.
Il y en a qui sont beurre parmi vous, comme on dit. Moi, je suis fromage, mais d'origine parmesan quand même.
Comment voulez-vous assimiler des gens vraiment à égalité quand on les appelle des beurs? Du reste, quand on les appelle beurs, je n'oublie pas non plus, j'ai été appelé Dico et Salarabe pendant des années.
It's the adorable video of toddler besties that's melting hearts across planet Earth.
Spoiler alerte, la chute de cette histoire est moins frustrante. Faut dire que la victime n'est pas n'importe qui. En effet, lors d'un match contre Villarreal comptant pour le championnat d'Espagne, un abruti local jette une banane au pied du latéral barcelonais Dani Alves qui s'apprête à tirer un corner. Celui qu'on surnomme Mr. Good Crazy a la plus belle des réactions. Il ramasse la banane, la pèle et en mange un bout puis tire le corner comme si de rien n'était.
Si está famoso comerse un plátano, yo tenía que estar famoso ya hace un montón de tiempo.
Alors évidemment qu'il s'est passé quelque chose de grave, mais le joueur a choisi de ne pas céder à l'insulte et a même déclaré après le match « Cela fait 11 ans que je suis en Espagne et depuis 11 ans c'est pareil, il vaut mieux rire de ces attardés, on ne va pas réussir à changer ça, donc il faut prendre les choses en riant et se moquer d'eux. » Ah, je vous avais dit que la chute était pas mal.
Yo sé cómo se gana y yo sé cómo se pierde. O sea que cuando yo intento pues, decir una cosa o hablar, me gustaría que la gente me siguiera.
Muhammad Ali, I would box him, and I would arm wrestle him and see if I could beat him.
What else?
I don't,
You were an arm wrestler?
yes.
My name is Muhammad Ali. I'm the greatest fighter of all time. Just stopped Joe Frazier. Now I'm gonna whoop George Foreman again.
You want to fight George Foreman?
I'm gonna whoop them all. You recognize me, man?
Yes.
Who am I?
Muhammad
All
Ali.
right, what's happening? Give me a shake. Give me 5. We'll give you 30, but your face is too dirty. Are you shocked?
No.
Why are you not shocked? You're not surprised?
You scared me when you came out.
I scared you. I heard you said you want to arm wrestle.
Yeah.
Let's get on. Go.